Gabriel Gonzalez 5206. How dare you make grounded videos out of me? That's it, you are grounded for infinity. Go to your room right now.
Oh, how dare you grounded, mister, that's it. I'm calling your parents.
Oh my god, Rosie, how dare you ground Gabriel Gonzalez 5206. That's it. You are grounded FFOR 53,876,552,222,225 years. Go to your room now. Shut up, Rosie, go to your room now.